Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 17, refraction and dispersion of light. In the previous chapter we did about the term reflection. That means the light falls on an object and it reflects back along the same path. This is how it reflects back, that is known as reflection. Now, next term that we are going to start in this chapter, that is refraction. In this, the light falls on an object and it refracts or it changes its medium. That is known as refraction of light. The topics that will be covered in this chapter is refraction of light, refraction by a glass slab and prism, dispersion, eye, the natural optical instrument, defects of vision, and the visually impaired people. Now the first is the refraction of light. As you have observed that if you take a block of glass and place them over a printed letters, you will see that letters appear to be raised. A pencil which is dipped in a water, it appears to be broken. So when light travels in a medium, it propagates in a straight line. But when it passes from one medium to another, it bends at the boundary dividing the two media. Thus refraction वो phenomena है which involves the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another medium. और जो ये bending of light है ये दो तरह से act करती है. आप देख सकते हो, this is one medium air and another medium is glass. So when incident light falls, travels to another medium, it bends. This is the bending of light. Secondly, they have taken फर्स्टली ग्लास मीडियम ऊपर लिया इन्होंने, ठीक है, जहाँ से आपकी इंसिडेंट रे आ रही है. व्हेन इट मूव्स टुवर्ड्स द एयर, अनदर मीडियम एयर, इट बेंड्स. दिस बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट, this bending of light 119 this bending of light is known as refraction of light. So the incident ray bend towards normal at the interface when light travels from one medium to another medium. Now why does a ray light bend? अब ये तो हमने पढ़ लिया कि लाइट बेंड करती है, पर वो बेंड क्यों करती है? It has been found that bending of light takes place because speed of light is different in different mediums. Speed of light is different in air. Speed of light is different in glass. So there are different speed of light in different medium. If the speed of light in medium 1 is higher as compared to medium 2, it is said to be optically rarer. And medium 2 जो होगा वो denser होगा. ठीक है, रेयरर का मतलब क्या है? हल्का. और डेंसर मीन्स भारी. ठीक है, अगर मीडियम 1 जो है उसमें स्पीड ऑफ लाइट हायर है तो मीडियम 1 क्या होगा आपका? रेयरर होगा, हल्का होगा. और अगर मीडियम 2 में स्पीड ऑफ लाइट जो है वो लोअर है तो आपका वो क्या होगा? हायर. देयर आर डिफरेंट मीडियम्स एंड दीज आर द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास तीन तरह के यहाँ पे इन्होंने मीडियम लिए हुए हैं, एयर, वाटर एंड ग्लास. दिस इज इन एयर स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इज दिस मच, वाटर एंड ग्लास. ये आपने याद करनी है. व्हाट इज दी? नाउ देयर आर सम इफेक्ट्स ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन इन आर डेली लाइफ दैट वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग इन आर डेली लाइफ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन अ स्विमिंग pool appears to be less deeper than it actually is when seen from above surface because light rays जो है वो bend करती हैं from normal when they travel from water to air. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो सबसे ज़्यादा जो है स्पीड ऑफ लाइट कहाँ पे है? एयर में, फिर उससे कम वाटर में और सबसे कम कहाँ पे है? आपके ग्लास में. तो दैट इज़ फ्रॉम वाटर. ऑप्टिकली वाटर जो होगा वो डेंसर होगा और एयर जो होगा वो ऑप्टिकली रेयरर होगा, मीडियम. आपने याद रखना है कि डेंसर मीडियम में जो होगा उसकी स्पीड ऑफ लाइट क्या होगी? लेस होगी. so more it bends the light. On the same basis, apparent bending of a pencil is dipped obliquely in water. Words would appear to be raised, that is also because of refraction. Coin appears to be raised at the base of the bucket full of water if viewed above from the surface of water. That is also the application of the refraction in daily life. Now here's one example, that is refraction through a rectangular glass slab.